This your boy D-Lo, Bob King, and I'm about to get with something new for y'all. You know, everybody dance, they do their thing, but this that bet you can't do it like me challenge. Let's go like ooh, ooh, ah, ah, hey, hey, turn up. Ooh, ooh, ha, ha, hey, hey, turn up. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, hey, hey, turn up. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, hey,
Nothing major got another hit.
Bitch can't whip like me, can't Millie rock like me, can't sexy walk like me, can't hit the corn like me. Hey, bitch can't drop like me, can't hit the folks like me, can't nay like me, can't Dito shuffle like me. Like no, bitch can't do it like me. Bitch can't do it like me. No, 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 bitch can't do it like me. Put your right leg up, left leg up, sit down like you're sitting on the stairs. Look to the left, look to the right, look back, get a booty and stand up. Twerk, twerk, now twerk, twerk, now twerk, twerk, now twerk, twerk. Ay, I can't take myself when I step up on the scene, and all these haters jockey, cause they know my swag be mean. I can do it by myself or I can do it with my team, but when I'm with my brothers, we just hit that dream team. Now dream team, dream team, dream team. I'm like what these haters mean. Dream team, dream team, dream team. I'm like what these haters mean. Double tap with the right, double tap with the left. Swing your arm 3 times. Ay, do your dance, do your dance. Switch to the other side. Ay, bunny hop to the right, bunny hop to the left. Pull to the right 2 times. Ay, look to the left, fill in your chest. Now go on, break it down. Ay, go on, break it down. Ay, go on, break it down. Ay, go on, break it down. I say go on, break it down. Ay, go on, break it down. Ay, go on, break it down. Ay, go on, break it down. I say go on, break it down. I've been flexing since a youngin'. I keep money in my pocket. I've been all around the world. Seen them hate, they need to stop it. Ay, Millie rock my dance. I just put it in the coffin, but I don't like to swim. You can watch me hit the dolphin. Ay, ooh, ooh, ha, ha, hey, hey, turn up. Ooh, ooh, ha, ha, hey, hey, turn up. Ooh, ooh, ha, ha, hey, hey, turn up. Ooh, ooh, ha, ha, hey, hey, turn up.
Hi, Robbie. Happy birthday. Grandma and Papa, we love you so much. You came home. You have made us so proud and happy. And you just light up Grandma's life when I see you. So even though we're not together right now, remember, I'm always there in spirit. And I love you again. I love you. We're so proud of the little man. You are definitely our little man.
Hey, buddy, how you doing? All right, Papa, I love you to death, buddy. I want you to stay out of trouble, and you're growing up, buddy. You're growing up. I remember them days when your daddy was growing up like that. You remind me of him in his young days. We love you so much. We want to take this picture, whatever this is just say, Robbie, we love you. Look at Team Mama.
Team Robbie.
Team Robbie, okay, look at this. We mean you in the truck. Look at this, brother. You'll like that. You remember? We love you, buddy. Grandma?
Okay, we'll talk to you soon.
Talk to you soon, buddy.
Oh my goodness. Happy, 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 happy birthday. I am so proud of the polite, mannerable, fun, energetic little boy you are growing into. I remember you coming into the classroom and just being so shy and just so sweet. And look at you now, dancing, smiling, strolling, doing your thing. I am so proud of you. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Love you. Mwah.
Hey Robert, happy birthday! I hope you're able to have a good birthday. I know your mom is going to make it very special for you under the circumstances. I wish I could give you a big birthday hug. I've missed you. I've missed your awesome hugs. But I hope you have a wonderful summer and an awesome birthday. I love you and I can't wait to see you next year.
Hey Robbie, happy birthday. I really wish I was there to see you and celebrate with you. Enjoy your presents. I promise I'll be there as soon as possible. I love you. And, oh, don't let me forget, I'm always watching. Listen to your mom. Listen to and respect your elders. I'll see you very soon. Bye.
Happy birthday, Robbie.
I love you.
Robbie.
Hey, little Robbie. Happy birthday. Hope you get everything that you ask for. Love you.
Happy birthday, Robbie.
Happy birthday, my favorite buddy cousin.
Happy birthday, little Rob.
Hello, Robbie. Auntie Pat just want to wish you a happy birthday. I love you, and I hope you have many more birthdays to come. Stay safe, be obedient, and have a blessed and a happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Auntie Pat loves you. Happy birthday to you, and many more. Happy birthday, Robbie. I love you.
What's up, Robbo? It's Rod. I was just wishing you a happy birthday, man. I love you. Continue to keep being a big boy and the success that you are, man. I'm so proud of you. Continue doing what you are doing. I'm so proud of you, and I will always back you up 100%. Love you, man. Enjoy your birthday.
Birthday, Robbie. I love you.
Happy birthday, Robbie. I love you. Happy birthday, Robbie. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Robbie. Happy birthday to you. Yay! I hope you have a wonderful birthday. Celebrate your birthday. Wonderful. I bet you're going to have a wonderful birthday. And love you. Miss you. Bye.
Robbie, we love you so much, and we're so sorry that we can't be there with you on your birthday. We hope you have the best day ever, and we love you so much, Robbie. So much. Mwah.
I love you, Robbie. You're my only friend. I wish we could be there with you. Bye. Bye. Happy birthday.
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Robbie. Happy birthday to you.
Gamer versus Gamer. Video game birthday party service.
And we look forward to treating your child like the most important kid in the world on their